Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? Welcome to my channel. Today's lesson is about sentence structure in Amharic. A sentence is called አረፍተ ነገር. አረፍተ ነገር. አረፍተ ነገር. We'll be looking at simple sentences in this video. A simple sentence in English has a subject, a verb, and an object in this sequence. For example, she drives a car. እሷ መኪና ትነዳለች. እሷ መኪና ትነዳለች. The sequence is different in Amharic. We have a subject, an object, and then a verb. እሷ መኪና ትነዳለች. He threw the ball. እሱ ኳሱን ወረወረው. እሱ ኳሱን ወረወረው. እሱ ኳሱን ወረወረው. Sarah hugged her sister. ሳራ እህቷን አቀፈቻት. ሳራ እህቷን አቀፈቻት. አበበ found the key. አበበ ቁልፉን አገኘው. አበበ ቁልፉን አገኘው. አበበ ቁልፉን አገኘው. She's a beautiful girl. እሷ ቆንጆ ልጅ ነች. እሷ ቆንጆ ልጅ ነች. እሷ ቆንጆ ልጅ ነች. Beautiful is ቆንጆ. An adjective always comes before a noun. It's very common in Amharic not to use a pronoun unless it's necessary. So let's see the same sentences without pronouns. She drives a car. መኪና ትነዳለች. መኪና ትነዳለች. ትነዳለች actually means she drives. Not drives, but she drives. Even without a pronoun, it means she drives. The subject she, እሷ, is implied in the verb. We have the object and the verb, but the subject is also clear because ትነዳለች can only be used for third person singular and feminine. She, እሷ, እሷ. He threw the ball. ኳሱን ወረወረው. ኳሱን ወረወረው. Again, we're not using a pronoun. The verb ወረወረው means he threw it. ወረወረው on its own means he threw it. And again, the subject is clearly he, እሱ. It's implied in the verb ወረወረው. There is no other pronoun we can possibly use with this conjugated form, which indicates that we're talking about one individual who's also a male. Third person singular and masculine. Sarah hugged her sister. ሳራ እህቷን አቀፈቻት. Let's take out ሳራ. እህቷን አቀፈቻት. እህቷን አቀፈቻት. This means she hugged her sister. እህቷን አቀፈቻት. When there is a context, you don't have to mention a name. If the people who are talking all know that the subject is Sarah, they can simply say እህቷን አቀፈቻት, even without the pronoun እሷ, she, which is implied in the verb አቀፈቻት. አበበ found the key. አበበ ቁልፉን አገኘው. What if we take out the subject አበበ? If the context is clear and all the people who are talking know that አበበ is the subject, then they can just say ቁልፉን አገኘው. He found the key. ቁልፉን አገኘው. The subject he, እሱ, is implied in the verb አገኘው. So that's it for today's lesson on the structure of a simple sentence. I hope this helped you, and if it did, share it with someone who wants to learn Amharic. በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ.